Hey guys, Chris from Pro Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing rear deck speakers on this 2010 Dodge Charger. We're going to show you how to remove the deck lid that's up here, up above. We're going to show you how to remove the factory speakers, get the new ones all wired up, what parts you'll need, and reinstallation with some testing. So let's go ahead and get started. This may differ depending if you have the fixed back seat or the folding back seat. If you have the fixed back seat, it will be a little bit different because you've got to actually unbolt it from the bottom and lift the seat up and out of the way. If you have the folding back seat, which we do here, this will just fold out of the way for you, giving you plenty of space to start. Now also, depending on your model, you may have to remove the C-pillar covers because they may be up on top of the actual deck top. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here on the sides, under the airbag logo, there's going to be a bolt holding this side part on. Alright, so there's a clip here. The bolt is a 10 mil that we pulled out, and then you have a T15 torque screw holding this on with this little cloth bracket. Now to remove these side ones with your seat out of the way, you can actually pull the 10 mil out, and this will just slide on up and out of the way. Alright, that side is done. Let's come to the other side. Each 6x9 is held in with a Phillips screw. Let's go ahead and get those removed. Alright, there we go. One speaker out. There's the other speaker. Alright, we're going to throw in these Type E speakers. These 6x9 Alpines. These are the SPE-6090 4-ohm speakers. They are two-way. Your main mid-range, and then your tweeter mounted in the center. Now within this install, we're going to use these Matra 72-6514 wiring harness adapters. The nice thing is about these, it avoids cut into the factory route wiring. These will just wire up directly to the factory plugs for our Dodge Charger. And all these do is just plug in, too, just like that. Plugged in, and that'll go into the factory plug. We'll use the same screws that the factory speaker used. And this will drop right in and plug right up. Super easy. So we'll take our plug. Plug it right in. Nice thing is with these plugs, you don't have to guess what's positive and what's negative. Drops right on in. Just like that. Let's give them a test. all reassembled. Good to go. Got all the panels back together. They sound great. Honestly, no complaints. It was quite a project to pull it all apart, but if you're up for the task, it's totally worth it. If you have any questions about this install, just go ahead and post a comment below. Thanks guys for watching the channel. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.